Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have our 2008 Toyota Camry, and on this Toyota Camry we're going to go over how you replace the reverse light bulb. So we've previously replaced the blinker bulb, and then if the brake and the tail light on this is an LED, so you'd be replacing the whole housing. So the next bulb that we have is a reverse bulb that's in the trunk itself. So the trunk is open and it's up, and there was push pins that hold this cover piece in. You can remove them all, or remove the whole thing, or just remove these two or so and then pull this down, right? And so we pull it down and we have access to this bulb housing right here, twist it a quarter turn to the left, and be able to remove the light. And then we just pull the light bulb out, and this light bulb here is a 921, so you get a new 921 to be able to replace this bulb when needs be. So then you take the bulb, the new bulb, and you place it back in, and then line this up with the tabs there, and turn it a quarter turn to the right and lock that back into place. And so that's how you replace your reverse light bulb on your 2008 Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.